LLM Foundations, How Large Language Models Work. At its core, a large language model does one thing: it predicts the next token. Given some text, it outputs a probability for every possible next token, picks one, and repeats. Everything else emerges from doing that extremely well after training on trillions of words. The model never sees raw letters. A tokenizer first splits the text into subword tokens and maps each to an integer ID. Common words are one token, rare words break into pieces. Each token ID is looked up in an embedding table, turning it into a vector of numbers. These vectors are learned during training so that related meanings land close together in space. This is the key idea. Every token looks at every other token and decides how much to pay attention to each. That is how the model builds context, so bank near river means something different than near money. One block is attention followed by a small feed-forward network, with residual connections. The model stacks dozens of these blocks. GPT-3 used 96 layers, each refining the representation a little more. After the final layer, the model projects each vector onto the whole vocabulary to get logits, one score per possible token. A softmax turns those scores into probabilities. Finally, the model samples a token from that distribution, where temperature controls how adventurous it is. It appends the new token to the input and runs the whole thing again. That loop is how an LLM writes text. For the complete walkthrough with runnable Python, the math behind attention, and how training shapes these weights, read the full guide on PrepStack. The link is on screen and in the description. If this video helped you, please like it, share it with your team, and leave a comment with your thoughts. And consider subscribing. Your support is what motivates me to keep creating more content like this. Thank you for watching.